Hello, my denture community. I hope all is well. First and foremost, to those that are new subscribers to my channel, or you're just someone passing through, welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. Hope you get what you need. Alright, I wanted to answer this question in video, in case any newbies need to know or have the same question. The question is, can denture tablets ruin your denture? And the answer is no. Alright. It is a good question. I mean, there's so much to learn as being a denture wearer and then taking care of your denture. So yeah, I had that question too. Alright. Let's say you're not a smoker, but you have these on hand. The smoker denture tablet. Use it. It's not going to hurt your dentures at all. Let's just say it's a 3-minute tablet. You dropped it in your denture soak. You fell asleep. Couldn't get back to your dentures until the next morning. Don't worry about it. You're not going to wake up to denture teeth floating in the water. Nothing like that. Nothing's going to happen. Nothing. Whether you use an online denture tablet, whether it's Fix-A-Dent or Secure or an off-brand from the Dollar Tree, nothing's going to, they're not going to ruin your denture. Not at all. Say all you have is a partial denture cleaning tablet and you don't wear your partial anymore, you can still use it to clean your denture, your full upper denture. Don't be scared. It really was a good question. None of these tablets can ruin your denture at all. I hope this helped. Don't forget to check out my playlist. A lot of helpful videos throughout there, and my shorts too. My shorts. It's funny. Anyway, I hope this helped. Y'all have a good one. Bye.